Welcome to your next home. Go check it out. Obviously, you can tell that this home has been completely renovated from top to bottom with some of the best finishes. And in the guest house, you will find 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. If all of that wasn't enough, there's also a saltwater pool, a workshop, and some amazing landscaping situated on just over 1.5 acres. If you're interested in seeing this home, please contact the Wolfe team today. We would love to help.